Unilever is one of the leading multinational company in our country, whose mission and vision is to ensure the hygiene, nutrition, and personal care of the people of our country. This is Ikram Murshid, member of the Green Optimizer team. Today, we are here with you to share some unique ideas and three unique ideas on three specific segments. My segment is about personal care, and we know that Bangladesh gets start cold in winter. And in personal care, there are several brands of Unilever, and these are Lux Liquid Soap, Sunsilk, Pond's Cold Cream, Vaseline, Pepsodent, etc. And experts suggest that people COVID-19 will greatly and dangerously affect in winter. So people are so much concerned with their health and safety. So it is the best time for Unilever to expand their business in personal care. And for this reason, Unilever has to ensure and follow some unique strategies and some unique ideas. So for unique ideas must be maintained and observed by Unilever for brand communication and customers insight. So at first, advertisement must be attractive. Based on health safety, branding must be reached in local sector so that people can easily know about their products. Initiative products must be launched in the market. Existing products must be modified and price must be in endurable as people are in financial crisis. That's all about my segments. Thank you, everyone.
Pure water for pure communities. This line completely goes with our brand name Purit. Purit is not just a product, it's a response to Bangladesh water purification needs. Since it launched, today it has become the world's largest selling water purification brand with its presence over 9 countries. However, Purit's revolutionary products are built using the most innovative technologies like RO and RO plus UV. But various people don't know about the main aim of Purit. Purit's main aim to provide access to clean drinking water to more than 500 million people. Purit's customer actually need to feel that they are valued for their choice and they need to have something extra to enhance the appeal for the product. One of the most persisting and enduring problem for developing countries is improper water sanitation. In Bangladesh, 97% of homes have access to water, but only 40% have proper sanitation. That refers the remaining 60% have to endure the danger of unsafe drinking water. And for Bangladesh, due to lack of consumer awareness, mostly price sensitivity and durability influence the purchase decision rather than technology. Hence, we need to find out such drought-prone and flood-affected areas for reaching out purity widespread. Moreover, we need to initiate campaigns like Safe Drinking Water Saves Lives. These campaigns will generate awareness through social media alongside creating door-to-door awareness among the local regarding safe drinking water. During campaigns, we can comprehend the customer, the significance of Purit and suggest some offer with various terms and conditions like installment payment. Therefore, the main objective of Purit will be successful by providing safe drinking water over the country. By this, we can ensure that our people drink pure water, and this will obviously help our country people health and hygiene.
The last idea that will ensure the health and well-being of people to turn into normalcy is some innovative ideas regarding food and beverage items. I think Lipton Green Tea can help on this regard because it is one of the most purpose-led brands of Unilever. As people of Bangladesh are getting more concerned about their health, weight loss, and most importantly now building good immune system, so they are attracted to drinking green tea at least once a day in a week. We know people affected by COVID-19 are increasing day by day, so creating the habit of taking immunity boosting teas every day is essential now. For this reason, Unilever can focus on Lipton green tea, as Lipton green tea is blessed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activities that can prevent our oxidative stress and autoimmune disease. Unilever can make dynamic videos by focusing on the healthy benefits of Lipton green tea. Besides, they can use portfolio policy by launching some other herbal teas like turmeric tea, ginger tea, lemon tea, etc. Unilever have to build awareness among their consumers in urban areas as well as local areas that these herbal teas will help their body to tone up with good immune system during the winter stage of COVID-19. Last of all, we hope our ideas will help Unilever's consumer to dive into new normal area. Thanks.